Good morning, dear students. Welcome to my class today. Today we are going to study English literature. Okay, today we will study English literature. So we have here lesson 9. Then the chapter name is Abraham Lincoln. Okay, lesson 9. Chapter name, the topic is Abraham Lincoln. So before we read this full part of the lesson, first let me tell you the summary of Abraham Lincoln. So you might have heard the name Abraham Lincoln before. Okay, so Abraham Lincoln, he was one of the presidents. He is one of the famous presidents, and he was from America. Okay, he was from America, and he was a lawyer also. Okay, he was a lawyer also. Then he was well known and very famous in America, and we will study in detail in this lesson. So he was born in America on 12th February 1809. Okay, he was born on 12th February 1809 in United States, which is in America. So he was born there. So we have some new words here. We have some new words. Then we have some lesson here. So few new words they have given in the book. But as we read this full chapter, we will find more new words, which meanings we do not know. Then I can tell you those meanings, as well as we will know the details about this lesson. So first of all, I will read the lesson. Okay, first page. Today we will study only the first page. Then in next video we can study the next part of the lesson. So first I will read. You listen carefully. You also open your books while you sit for studies or you are doing your homework. You have to read the chapter 4 to 5 times. Okay, you can read 4 to 5 times. The more you read, the more you will know and you will understand the lesson better. So you also have to watch this video more times, many times. Whenever you are free or you are sitting for studies, you just see the video and you try to understand the lesson. Okay, let's start now. So first, new words. What are the new words given here? Orator. Okay, abolish, nothing, noting. Then we have travel weary, wilderness, exceptional, injuring. Okay, so journey of Abraham Lincoln. Here the journey of Abraham Lincoln, it means from his childhood onwards, when he was a small boy, as he grew up, what happened to him, what are the incidents, or how he become a president. Okay, so whole thing is mentioned here. So first paragraph we will find just gist of Abraham Lincoln, that he was president and he was from America and he was one of the 16th president of America. The detail is mentioned here, and from this paragraph to below we will find about his journey, means about his childhood. As a small boy, what happened to him, that is all mentioned from here to below. Okay, so I read now, so listen carefully. Okay, Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president of the United States. He ranks among the top 3 presidents the US has ever had, because in his short time in office, Lincoln did more to build the American nation than any other president before and after him. The foundation for true equality between all American citizens was laid by the firm convictions and actions of Lincoln. Frederick Douglass, a man who was born a slave but went on to become a famous orator, statesman, and a reformer, described Lincoln's actions as essential to Negro freedom. Abraham Lincoln's measures to abolish slavery and the practice of employing people from American countries as labor in the fields and homes of white American settlers and his leadership during the American Civil War has earned him a lasting place in the history of his country. Okay, so first we will discuss only this part of the lesson. So below we will find what happened to him later. So journey of Abraham Lincoln. About the lifestyle of Abraham Lincoln. Journey of Abraham Lincoln means the lifestyle, how he lived his life. It's mentioned here. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president. Okay, it's very clear to us. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president. मतलब first president, second president, third president, like that we have 4th, 5th, 6th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, then 16th. So he was the 16th president of United States. Okay, so he ranks among the top 3 presidents the US has ever had. So this is very important line here. We see that he ranks among the top 3. So in the schools or in the colleges we will find that there are students who are having more marks. They get first position in the class. In the same way, among the 3 presidents, he was one of them. Okay, he was one of the 3 presidents of United States who were very famous and very well known to people. That much good he was. Okay, he was really very good as a president in America or in United States, because in his short time in office Lincoln did more to build the American nations. Okay, so in his short time means when he was president, within short period of time, मतलब कि कम समय में वो बहुत कुछ किया था for American citizens, for American nations, अमेरिका के लोगों के लिए, मतलब कि वो बहुत कुछ काम किया था. Because of this he is well known to everyone. Okay, then any other presidents before and after him, before Abraham Lincoln, मतलब कि अब्राहम लिंकन से पहले जो प्रेसिडेंट थे और उनके बाद में भी जो प्रेसिडेंट हुए, among them he was really very good man. He did lot of development, lot of good works to the nation. अपने लोगों के लिए वो बहुत अच्छा काम किए थे. ओके, देन द फाउंडेशन फॉर ट्रू इक्वालिटी बिटवीन ऑल अमेरिकन सिटीजन्स. he also fought for the foundation of equality between all American. मतलब कि among the American people he tried to bring equality. मतलब कि सब कोई समान है. Nobody is different. Everyone is equal. Okay, there is no differential between people. Everyone is equal. So he brought equality between all citizens, was led by the firm conviction and actions of Lincoln. Through his work, वो अपने काम में करके दिखाए और अपने काम में करके बताए थे कि every citizen, every human being or every person is has right to live in the nation or right to achieve things, and everyone is equal. No one is different. Okay, so everyone gets the right choice. They have right choice. They can live their life like as others are living. There is no differentiate between one person to other person. Okay, so here we have mentioned Frederick Douglass, a man who was born a slave but went on to become a famous orator. So we are talking about Frederick Douglass. He was a man, okay, born as a slave, means he was born as a slave, means slave family. His parents were slaves. They were working as, मतलब कि वो नौकर जैसा काम करते थे. उनके फैमिली में फ्रेडरिक डगलस का जन्म हुआ था. He was born in slave family, was a slave. but went on to become a famous orator. But he did not remain as a slave. वो slave होके नहीं रहा, but what he did was he became a famous orator. What is the meaning of orator here? Speaker. Okay, orator means a speaker, one who speaks for the people. लोगों के लिए वो बातचीत करता है. He stands in front and he speaks for the people, or he stands for the people. Statesman and reformer described Lincoln's action as essential to Negro freedom. So this man, Frederick Douglass, he spoke about Abraham Lincoln. He spoke about Abraham Lincoln. He discussed or he described, he explained about Abraham Lincoln, like how he was, how important his actions were, how important his works were for the people of Negro freedom. Negro means these are coming from Africa. Okay, these are coming from Africa. They are little black people. Okay, by color you will find them, they look little dark. We will not say black, but we can call them dark. Their body color is dark. Okay, so he fought for them. उनके लिए वो लड़ाई करता था. He fought for the Negro freedom. So these actions were spoken by Frederick Douglass. Okay, so he was also a Negro. Frederick Douglass also was a Negro, and he was born as a slave, but he did not remain as a slave. Finally, he became a famous orator, means famous speaker, and he spoke, he described, he told to other people about Abraham Lincoln. Okay, so Abraham Lincoln's measures to abolish slavery, the practice of employing people from American countries as labor in the fields and homes of white American settlers. So what happened here is Abraham Lincoln's measures to abolish slavery. So Abraham Lincoln, he tried, he gave more importance to abolish slavery. मतलब कि वो जो slavery होता था उनको वो हमेशा के लिए निकालना चाहते थे. He wanted to put to an end, ख़त्म करना चाहते थे. मतलब कि no one should work as a slave, और नौकर जैसा कोई भी काम करना नहीं चाहिए. इस ये जो था, he wanted to remove this, he wanted to put to an end to slavery. Okay, the practice of employing people, he also wanted that every person should work, every person should do some employment or do some work. They should not become a slave, but they should work. Okay, from American countries as labor in the fields and homes of white American settlers. So what was happening, you know, in America, before these people from Negro people, they used to work in their homes or in their offices, like in their fields, like slaves. Okay, they were working like slaves, but which Abraham Lincoln did not want. Abraham Lincoln wanted everyone to do a job, not as a slave, as a independent person. They should work. Okay, and his leadership during American Civil War has earned him a lasting place in the history of his country. Because of these, some of the reasons, the people of his country, they appreciate him, they all love him. They have made a place for Abraham Lincoln in their history. Okay, so Abraham Lincoln fought for the essential to Negro freedom. Negro people should have their freedom. They should not remain as slaves. They should work independently. They should have a particular job. They should not work as a slave. These are the some of actions people of America, they remember and appreciate Abraham Lincoln so much. Okay, this is about Abraham Lincoln. So from here we will study about his childhood. Okay, about his childhood, what happened to him, where he studied, and what are the things he has done in his life, all mentioned from this paragraph to below. Okay, we will study that in the next video. So for your homework today, you have to read this. Okay, you have to read this paragraph, one paragraph 4 to 5 times again and again. Then the words which you do not know the meaning, you can look in the dictionary, or I will give you the meanings for your homeworks to study. Okay, then I hope you have understood, and we will study the next part of the lesson in the next class. Okay, for today, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.